Today we're going to talk about KIDDE's new FireX smoke alarm. This is a highly competitive solution that delivers the quality and reliability customers expect, making this the ideal option for budget-sensitive projects. It's a hardwired photoelectric smoke alarm with a 9-volt battery backup built to UL 217 10th edition standards. This smoke alarm's key features include reduced nuisance alarms, self-testing capability, event memory, and universal mounting. We are competitively priced and we offer same-day pickup or next-day delivery for all of our distribution partners. Stocking smoke alarm solutions in Florida, Metra Associates can get KIDDE's new FireX smoke alarm on your shelves today. We are Metra Associates and all of our contact information will be in the caption.